Welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we will show you how to unlock ultimate performance in Windows 10 and get the most out of your PC's power and speed. Step 1. Right-click the Start button and select Terminal with Admin Privileges. This opens a special command interface that allows you to make advanced changes on your computer safely. Step 2. Insert the command provided in the video description and press Enter. This command enables the hidden Ultimate Performance Plan on your Windows 10 system. Step 3. Click the Search button, type Control Panel, and select it from the results. The Control Panel is where you can access many of Windows system settings. Step 4. Go to Hardware and Sound. This section contains all the settings related to your computer's hardware and power management. Step 5. Click Power Options or choose a power plan. Here, you can manage how your computer uses energy and balances performance. Step 6. Click Show Additional Plans to reveal hidden options. This is where the Ultimate Performance Plan will appear for you to select. Step 7. Select the Ultimate Performance Plan. This plan maximizes your computer's speed and responsiveness, but it will use more power. Step 8. Use this plan wisely. Because it uses substantially more power and stresses your processor, it is best to enable it only when you need maximum performance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.